Hey everyone, thinking of deactivating your Palmpay account? I will show you the steps to deactivate your account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First of all, open the Palmpay app on your phone or website on your computer and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. To deactivate your account, you will need to contact Palmpay support. Scroll down in the profile menu and tap on Help Center. From there, select Contact Us and copy the email address. Then open your email and compose a new email. In the subject line, write account deactivation request. In the body, provide your full name, registered phone number, and email address linked to your Palmpay account. Mention your reason for deactivating the account and request confirmation of the deactivation. Once you have included all the necessary details, hit send. Palmpay support team will review your request and may ask for additional verification. And that's it. Deactivating your Palmpay account is as simple as reaching out to their support team. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.